The world premiere of the Kia EV2 will take place at the 2026 Brussels Motor Show. The EV2 represents Kia's entry into the world of fully electric vehicles without compromise. The EV2 was designed, developed, and will soon be manufactured in Europe. The Kia press conference will take place on Friday, January 9, 2026, at 10:40 a.m. CET, at the Kia stand in Hall 5, Booth 3. Kia will introduce the EV2, a fully electric B-segment SUV designed for the European market, at the Brussels Motor Show on January 9, 2026. The event in Brussels, the capital of Belgium, will welcome visitors between January 10 to 18, 2026. The Kia EV2 combines emotional design with modern technology and connectivity features, intelligent electric vehicle capabilities, and a spacious, customizable interior. With its eye-catching appearance and attractive body type, the model's design perfectly exemplifies Kia's contrasts unite philosophy, expressing its progressive character. With the EV2, we reaffirm our commitment, without compromise, to making electric mobility truly accessible to a wider audience, said Mark Hedrick, President and CEO of Kia Europe. This compact SUV offers the innovation and spirit of our larger electric vehicles while seamlessly adapting to everyday life in Europe. Designed, developed and soon to be manufactured in Europe, we are confident that the EV2 will play a significant role in shaping the future of responsible mobility across the region, said Kia. On January 9, between 10:40 and 11 o'clock, journalists attending the Brussels Motor Show 2026 will learn about Kia's all-electric BSUV model. In addition to the EV2, Kia will also be showcasing the sporty and dynamic GT versions of the EV3, the EV4 hatchback, and the EV5.